What? I know what you're probably thinking. Ew, is she really gonna eat that? I mean, the banana, it's all brown and stuff. But hey, it's organic. It's gotta be good, right? Plus, you know how expensive organic fruit is. Who's going to waste their money by throwing it in the trash? Not me. Hey, it's DonyB and you are watching DonyB TV. Welcome to another episode of DonyB TV. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite recipe for banana bread. You know, you might have those old bananas that have turned brown, but you don't want to throw them away. Well, I have the perfect recipe to help you put those bananas to use. You first want to start off by preheating your oven to 350 degrees. First, I'm going to start by mashing up 3 bananas. You can use a fork, but I choose to use a potato masher. Just mash those up really good. Then I take 2 beaten eggs and add that to the bananas. Give that a mix. Then I take half of a cup of butter. You can use salted or unsalted. Add that to the mixture. Then I'm going to take 3/4 a cup of white sugar and then 1/4 of a cup of brown sugar. The brown sugar is to give it like a molasses flavor. Add that to the mixture. Then I'm going to add a teaspoon of vanilla. Give that a mix again. You can also use a hand mixer or a stand mixer, but I prefer to use my hands. Okay. And then this is what's going to make your bread very moist. This is 1/2 of a cup of sour cream. Add that to the mixture. All right, next to our dry ingredients. This is 1.5 cups of flour. Gonna add that to the mixture. And then we're going to take a teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. And mix this all until it's well combined. Make sure you scrape the sides and the bottom of your bowl to make sure that all of your flour is incorporated. All right. Next, you're gonna take a greased loaf pan. You can use whatever type of non-stick spray that you like. I choose to use coconut oil. And then you add your batter to your loaf pan. Okay, so you're gonna bake your batter for 50 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Oh, yes, this is delicious. It's super moist. It's not too sweet. Taste the banana, the hint of brown sugar to give it that molasses look taste that I was looking for. Now, what I did end up having to do is add an additional 10 minutes onto the cook time. The oven that I'm using now is different than the previous oven that I usually make my banana bread on. You should do the same at 50 minutes. Check your bread to see how done it is. All right, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time. Thanks for watching.